Buckets at the ready, big t-shirts on. This can only be one thing. It's to clean with me. Now, I fully cleaned this kitchen yesterday. It was on camera, and it's back to being a complete mess again, because I'm not one of those girlies who resets at the end of the day, because I have better things to be doing. And yeah, I just come along in the daytime and do it when I need to do it. First things first, we will clean the dog beds. We get the machines working for us. I always find that's the best way around doing things. Get the machines working whilst we work. It's a double whammy. The washing machine stuff that I've been using recently is this, the Persil Heaven Pure Heaven scent, it says. Love these. These are really, really blooming good, and they smell great and they don't irritate my skin. Good for the dog too, so we're gonna wash the dog's bedding in that, and that'll be a good one. Into the washing machine it goes. So I didn't wash it that long ago, we'll just put it on a half-an-hour wash. I sense that the washing machine is going to be a little bit loud, so if it is, I can only apologise, but I do have a mic on, so that should hopefully help out. First things first, I want to clear these dishes. I'm going to go to a voiceover because that's going to distract me. I'm going to have some music on in the background, probably a little bit of Chris Stapleton. I'm not going to lie. We'll have a little boogie, get all the dishes done, then I want to do the floors.
Here I am on the voiceover. I have made it on. So I wanted to talk a little bit about recently me having a little flip out, because I figured I'm not a cozy and aesthetic girly. Like, all these girlies are out there doing their calm, cozy, aesthetic clean with me's, house videos, all of the stuff, all of the try on videos, all of the shopping videos, all of the craft type videos that they may be doing. I feel like it's all very aesthetic, and me, I'm like, I'm not one of those type of girls. I try to be, but Jace, I don't succeed, you know. I'm a very chaotic person. I do things on a whim when I feel like it. I'm not in the mood to be faking things for making content, if that makes sense. I'm not here to lie about things to sell you things or anything like that. I'm here to turn up just to have a good time and just share things with people and actually have a relatable time with people. All of my favourite creators are all really relatable people, and places like Instagram or TikTok, and there's a few people on YouTube that I quite like, but finding relatable people I always find really hard. And then I think, oh goodness, is this because you're meant to be more polished on YouTube? So I'm not sure if my personality is really vibing with YouTube, but I suppose we're gonna see how this rolls, because I'm here to stay for a while. So hopefully people like you we can find more of, and we'll be here together living out the real life dream. I'll be sharing everything along the way. I mean, I'm sure I'm going to get up to some fun stuff, but I don't know. I'm not going to be creating content just for the sake of creating content. If I do some cool stuff, of course I'm going to share it. If I do crafts, of course I'm going to share that. If I've got my shop with me, so I'm going to be sharing that. And I hope that's okay. And I hope it's okay that I'm not calm and cozy and aesthetic. Do you know what I mean? That's been on my mind recently.
Wash machine's done, so it's been more than half an hour. You've got the surfaces cleared off, first load of dishes done, tiles above the backsplash and the backsplash over there done. And I did it with this because I remembered this was supposed to be a blooming autumn clean. So I had my pumpkin gloves on, and I had this, and then in my, I forgot about this, in my shopping bag, bought these from B&M a while ago. I've got, bag fell on the floor, pumpkin spice latte glade refill. Oh, this smells insane, by the way. So it's time to swap this bad boy out. I thought I'd have it out here at the moment whilst I clean, and then I'll switch it out for like a candle or something. So squirt for luck. Blimmin' marvellous. It smells so good. That's so like pumpkin-y. So I put it on the 9 minutes one, so we're gonna have a few little blasts of that. Let's test it. Wait, did I not load it up properly? I might have broken that. I don't get what's happening there. Anyway, this I started using this. I smelled it the other day and I thought, oh, it smells all right. Turns out this smells bloody fantastic. Fabulosa, perfect pumpkin. It is the perfect pumpkin smell. Very cinnamony. It smells like blooming autumn in here. I'm thrilled. So this is a definite go. We've also got a new minky. I was looking for one a minute ago, so I've scrubbed all the surfaces with a microfiber now. It came up quite all right, to be honest, considering I only cleaned yesterday, but they're all cleaned. So next, I do want to do the floor. I don't have any floor cleaner. I refuse to buy a pumpkin floor cleaner because I have so many floor cleaners. I never get rid of them because, to be honest, okay, I'm going to be completely honest, I just use washing up liquid. It works out really well and it's so easy. So that's going to be the step. Put the dog bed stuff and in the tumble dryer. Get the next load of dog bedding in because my dog has 5 different blankets and beds. What can I say? It's a little princess. And we will get hoovering and scrubbing the floor. That's what the bucket was for. Got a bit ahead of myself, but I want to do the surfaces first because I thought if I dust anything off to the floor, I can hoover it up. So gonna switch that over, then get the hoover out. Update on the air freshener, change the batteries. It was the batteries. There we go. Plonker over there. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner, pumpkin spice dinner. Pumpkin spice dinner. Oh, I'd love a pumpkin spice latte right now. I do have some sachets, but I have already had a coffee, so I'm not gonna do that. The other day I had 3 coffees and ended up having really bad anxiety. What's the girl to do? But it's the season, you know. Still haven't had a pumpkin spice latte. Are they in Starbucks yet? I think they are, right? They usually come in at the end of August, start of September. And we're in September now, so they better be. Anyway, on to the cleaning, I mustn't get distracted, I have things to do.
No, I'm not sure what that dancing is either, but apparently that's what I dance like looking back. Can you believe it? Mortified. Anyway, the cleaning spray, that pumpkin one, absolutely divine. My kitchen has smelled amazing this evening after using that. Well and truly, 100% recommend it. B&M that was. I'm pretty sure it was £1 and I was like, this doesn't even smell that good once I opened it, but actually using it, it's delightful. It's so cinnamony, so cozy. Adore it. Now see my table and chairs here, they look a little bit worse for wear, but I blooming love them. I look at them back sometimes and think people must think that I am really scruffy with my table and chairs because they're so not finished and not, again, aesthetically pleasing, but the kind of patina on it fills me with joy. Every time I look at this table and chairs, I got the chairs for free. The table cost me £60 and to be honest, it's my favourite thing about this kitchen. Like, I love them. Now I do need new chair cushions, so let me know if you know of any good place to get them. These fit my old chairs, but obviously I've since got these ones and they don't fit well, so let me know.
Okay, floor washing time. Just took a thumbnail with these. Anyway, I use washing up liquid. Fairy. This is the one that I use, the 3 times one. I don't think it's as strong as the 5 times one. It dries out your hand so much, but it's stronger than the original, which is what I really like. I get my bucket, got my bucket of water here. Let me show you it because why not? There's my favorite bucket. This is a flash bucket. A load of washing up liquid in there and then hot water because we need a bit of that. This is cold water in there so far. Make a nice soapy mix. My sisters-in-law swear by using bleach. I don't use bleach on my floor because this is LVT. It's a fairly new one as well. And I don't want to ruin it and I think this will clean it just fine. So I'm going to use my old gloves, the ones that I just swapped out. Also going to time up my hair because I don't know if you could tell, there is actual sweat dripping down my face. And yeah, I'm glad I put a giant t-shirt on now, let me tell you. Where did I put my brush? Where did I put my brush? Hair up, that feels better. Sorry if you can hear the washing machine in the background. Nothing I can do about it at the moment. But this is my favourite brush. Do you see this? Sorry, I had 3 dog hairs in. This is my favourite brush for doing the floor. It's one from Aldi. I'm not sure if it's a dupe or something, but this middle bit comes out and then you get this bit for skirting boards as well. It's bloody genius. But this is my favourite floor brush and I just get to town. Hands and knees, gloves on, scrub-a-dub-dub, then I buff it out with some microfibers at the end if it's a little bit too wet. It is raining outside, so I've got the door shut now, but otherwise the house would just be airing through. Windows and stuff are open in the living room and everything, so there's some good air coming through anyway, but scrub, scrub, scrub. Let's get to it.
Do you know what? I don't have any more thoughts or anything left to express anymore on this voiceover, but I do want to say a huge thank you to all the people that have joined me over the last month on the channel. I truly appreciate you. I think I've gained like about 700 people in the last 3 weeks, which is insane to me considering I was stuck at 16,000 for 4 years. 4 years, and then we just went straight over that with 700 new people in the past 3 weeks. So I appreciate it, and I'm going to keep turning up for you guys. We're going to be nice and consistent, especially in the run up to obviously autumn, throughout Halloween, and then the run up to Christmas. Autumn is good, Halloween is good, but Christmas is my time to come alive. Anyway, I mustn't get distracted by that, but yeah, it's going to be a good time.
Oh my goodness gracious me. I don't get how the girlies do it and they stay all looking really good. I am sweating. I've also got a blister now on my finger, on my middle finger. Do you see it? Really bloody hurts, but I scrub so hard that I've scrubbed the skin off my finger. But the plus side is my kitchen is now very clean, very clean, and I'm thrilled about that. I'm now going to move on to the front room. I'm going to do that tomorrow because my finger hurts and I actually want to get a carpet cleaner in to clean the carpet and to clean my sofas. I'm probably going to do that off camera because I feel like this vlog is already going to be long enough. I'm sure I have spoken to you throughout it on a voiceover. Well, future me later on tonight or tomorrow will be talking to you about some sort of stuff. So leave me a comment, give me all the engagement you can. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for being here. I always say this, but I'm always so grateful to be able to chat to people and just hang out for the day. So yeah, thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'm absolutely filthy as well. I dropped the brush on me. Look at that, awful. It actually took 2 whole buckets worth of water and they still came out dark brown. But the floor looks a lot nicer. Well, I say that, it looks exactly the same. Ignore all the dirty cloths over there. It just looks the same, but it's clean. Very clean. Don't be alarmed by these shoes, by the way. Indoor shoes, I don't really care. I have a dirty dog, it's fine. This is why we have to clean so intensely. The table will be cleaned once the floor's dry and I get the chairs back down, and then the rest of the dishes will be done as I cook dinner in a moment. But for now, I'm gonna go sit down for half an hour because I'm so hot. And Tommy gets back from work in around about half an hour's time. Sit down for half an hour and then go on my evening walk because as you guys know, I've been walking every single day, an hour and a half to 2 hours at a time. So this is almost like gonna be my second workout of the day. I'm sweating all over. Anyway, enough of that. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I know clean with me is on everyone's cups of tea, but I can get something done as well as hanging out with you guys and have a little chat. So hopefully you've enjoyed the catch up and I will catch you again very soon for another video. Bye.